Today I sell my luxury bags and accessories, so let's go. Hi guys, welcome back in my YouTube channel. I'm very excited to have you here, and in today's video I'm gonna sell you my luxury bags and accessories. My name is Margot alias margavalux. I'm 28 years old. I'm based in Europe. I make videos about luxury, unboxing, explaining you a few things. I'm a bag lover as you can guess. If you are too, you are at the right YouTube channel, so welcome. Do not hesitate to subscribe to this video. I decided to create my own website, bamluxurystore.com, where I sell you bags and accessories. I'm very excited because it has been like almost a year so far with my partner. I'm going to show you now the bags and accessories that are available on the website today. We make every Wednesday a bag drop day, and I will explain you a bit later, like during the video, details about shipping and everything, but we ship worldwide. Let's start with one bag you've been waiting for ages, like everyone was waiting for this bag. We have here a Lady Dior. I'm very excited. This is a small size. This is a beautiful Lady Dior. This one is very specific because, as you can see here, the Dior letters are different than the normal ones. It's a very special one, and for this one, the color I would say is black, dark blue. So it's actually very cute. We have a small size for this one. Gold hardware, beautiful bag. Like the condition of this one is quite good, I must say. I try to show you like everything, but below is very good. You have like very few marks. Also the corners actually are amazing. Like they're almost brand new. I would say, yeah, it's more like a dark blue than a black, but it's, you know, you cannot see like large difference, but if you compare it to a black bag, of course it's dark blue. Like the handles are very good, and as you can see, you have the pocket. It's not a zipper, so it's a most recent one. I'm going to show you the inside of the bag, but in the meantime, I had the papers inside. So this bag was bought in Paris, Avenue Montaigne. We had the little papers for this one, so which is actually very good. I do not have a dust bag for this one, and as you see, it's quite flexible. Like this lever is really good, and the inside looks like this. It's suede leather. I'll try to show you like closer. It's suede leather inside, and it's gorgeous. Like the inside is very good actually. You have a pocket here and a zipper pocket right here. I love it. Like the color of this one is gorgeous, and the condition is very good. Concerning the price, I will give you right now. The price is 2,090 euro. This is a very gorgeous one, and the price is quite low. You need to get it like right now because I think it's gonna go fast. Everyone is asking me right now Lady Dior, and it's pretty trendy right now. So this one is on sale, 2,090 euro. You can go on the website. You have every links in the description of this video. You can go check on the website and you can buy directly there, or you can contact me and we make you an payment in installments. So it means you have to pay up to 4 months, maximum 4 months to pay. So you can pay in 2, 3, or 4 times without any fee. You have to contact us for this, but yeah, otherwise we ship worldwide, so I'm quite excited. Another bag that I just received recently is this amazing Celine. I'm going now to unbox it with you. We had the dust bag. This one is new, like it was never used. You will see no marks, like it's insane. This one is beautiful. This is a Triumph one. It's like, I would say it's dark pink. Very nice. I love it. We still have like every paper inside. I remove them very carefully, but we have it like the Celine papers usually here, and the inside is very good. This is suede leather. We have a little pocket here. You can change the size of the strap if you want, but it's very gorgeous. I'll try to show you properly, but this one is beautiful and it's available. The price for this Celine is 1,060 euro. It's brand new. This one is new, so you will be able to have a new bag from Celine. I'm very excited. Usually don't have new bags, but the client decided to sell it because she was not wearing it, and I don't know why. It's such a practical bag because you can fit largely like a phone, like a wallet. You can fit everything inside, so it's quite nice, and you have the strap that you can change the size. So yes, I'm gonna put the bag again in the dust bag, and I'm going to show you something else. Now I'm going to show you like a small SLG. This is a small wallet from Louis Vuitton, monogram canvas. Very good condition for this one, I have to admit. Try to show you more closer. The pressure button actually is in good condition, not too damaged, because usually on this type of SLG with leather pressure button, they are damaged a lot. But otherwise, we are going to open it. This one actually is very good. As you can see, it's quite huge inside. I love it. This is like a pale pink, beautiful inside leather. You have lots of different pockets for it. I love it. Like actually the condition is very, very good. You have a few little stain, but otherwise very good condition. And you have like here the zipper pocket. I'll try to show you. It's a bit dirty inside, but obviously because it's the zipper pocket. And the price for this one is 230 euro, which is actually a very good price for this type of wallet. I'm quite happy about this one because this one is very versatile and small, so it's a perfect one. I had this lovely surprise here for you at the end of the video, so stay till the end. So right now I'm going to show you another bag that I received. It's here. So I don't know if you will be able to see all like with this type of objective, but this is a Keepall size 45 and we have a good condition on this one. This is a very cute little one. I know you guys were looking for one, so actually I'm very, very happy. Under the bag is quite good actually. You have some little marks and stain, but otherwise it's very good. Here we have a little stain, and over here we have some marks there, but otherwise that's good. We also have tag names. Look at the hardware is very, very good. Handles also are pretty good. You have some stain, and inside you have some little stains. You have every photos on the website, but otherwise this is a very good one, and the price is quite low. We have the price of 605 euro. I will add on the screen, as you can see, every price in USD and like in pounds also. This way you have every information and you can go directly on the website and buy the bag of your dream. I have another bag. This is a little Gucci bag. This is a really cute one and vintage. I love it. Like the style of it is quite cute. I'm gonna close it. Like it's a mix of beige monogram, and you also have like white cream leather. It's gorgeous. You only have like Gucci logo here, and this one is kind of a hobo one, so it's actually very like super easy to wear. I love this type of bag, and the condition of this one is quite good actually. You have some stains like on the bottom of the bag, but yeah, it's nothing that big, and you can redo the bag like quite easily. This is leather, but it's nothing that big. I'll try to show you like closer. You have also the zipper here, very good condition. I love it. We're going to open the bag and I'm going to show you the inside, because the inside is quite funny, like how it is like fabric inside. You have the pockets, and also like the inside is perfect condition. I'm really impressed. Like the bag is quite good, and the price is quite good. It's 390 euro, which is like quite low for this type of bag actually. Yeah, because they continue to increase prices, but this one is very good. Okay, I have another one for you. Okay, you've been waiting for this one. Congrats. So this one has a full set. This has the box, and we are going to unbox it together, like carefully. So we have the box. We have like authenticity card. We have papers. I have like the little dust bag. I have my price tag obviously. And here it is. I'll show you closer and put the box here. So we have like a wallet from Chanel. This is a black lambskin wallet with silver hardware. This one is a befold one, very cool. Everything looks like we have a very good one. Like the condition, I would say, is between good and very good. Corners are like rubbed a little bit, but this is kind of not that bad. I'll try to show you like closer. We have a back pocket here, which is like very good condition. We are going to open now together. So this is quite big. Like we have lots of cards here that you can put everything here. Also we have a larger one inside. We had the sticker who starts with a 10, and here you have multiple pockets. Also you have the coin section, another pocket. We have lots of space for this one, and the price is 359 euro. So the price is very good for this one, 359 euro. This is secondhand, pre-loved, but such in a good condition. I love the quality of this leather, actually, I have to say. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will enjoy this video. You can shop directly on the website bam.luxurystore.com. So enjoy your shopping. Happy bag drop day. And I will see you like this Sunday for another video, because I'm making like 2 videos per week. And if you are French or speak French, I also have my French YouTube channel. So be free to go and have a look. Thank you so much, and see you soon. Bye bye.